Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have the Air Jordan sneakers. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel and like this video. So let's go and watch it. Update 626. Here are official images of the Air Jordan 1 High Og University Ake Unk Toe. Retailing for $180, these are slated to drop on July 22nd. Well, there was an Air Jordan 1 High Og University which dropped last year. Another Air Jordan 1 High Og University will release in the summer of 2023. This new Air Jordan 1 colorway takes on the popular bread turi color blocking, as the shoe features a full leather construction on the upper with white hitting the side panels, black placed on the overlays, and the highlight university blue noted on the ankles, heel, and the toe. Finishing things up are white rubber midsoles, as well as more university on the Nike Air branding on the tongue and rubber outsole. Retailing for $180. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High Og University, Ake Unk University, Ake Unk Toe at select Jordan brand stockists and online on July 22, 23. For a complete guide including official photos, release dates, pricing, and where to buy, visit our Jordan 1 High Og University Blue. Always keep it locked to Kicks and Fire for the latest in sneaker news, release dates, and where to purchase your favorite kicks.